Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you are well. I am also well. Today, I shall discuss rules of passage narration. Previous class, I discussed passage narration rule 1 to 5. Today, I shall discuss rule number 6. Dear students, let us go discuss. Notice rule 6. If we notice that there is sir in the direct speech, we write addressing as sir or respectfully instead of sir in the direct speech. Dear student, notice example. The teacher said to the headmaster, "Sir, I need 1 day leave." Here, all of you notice that, "Sir, I need 1 day leave." Answered in this way, the teacher told the headmaster respectfully that he needed 1 day leave. Dear students, all of you know that if reporting verb in the past tense at the time reported speech change present indefinite becomes past indefinite. Here, I need 1 day leave. This sentence is a present indefinite tense becomes past indefinite. For this reason, here I write he needed 1 day leave. Dear students, let us go discuss rule number 7. If we notice that address anyone in the reported speech, we start indirect speech with addressing as. Dear students, notice example. He said to them, "Friends, help me." He addressing his friends. If we look at the reported speech at the time, here write friends. He addressing his friends. According to the rule, answer in this sentence addressing them as friends, comma, he requested them to help him. He requested them to help him. This is reported speech. Help me. This is the sentence of imperative sentence. For this reason, here I use requested. Dear students, I hope all of you know it well, and let us go discuss rule number 8. If we notice that there is Allah, by Job, by God, by my life in the reported speech, we write swearing by Allah, Job, God, my life, etc. beginning of the indirect speech. Notice example. First, by Allah, he replied, "I will not leave this room." Here, answer in this way, swearing by Allah, he replied that he would not leave that room. May question, where come from he? Here reported speech subject is I, says reporting verb of object he. Here he is subject. For this reason, when we write any future tense at that time, we use will after he. For this reason, here will would come from will. Let us go rule number 9. Dear student, notice, if we notice that there is thank you in the reported speech, we write reporting verb of subject plus thanked plus reporting verb of object when you change direct to indirect. Dear students, notice example. He said to me, thank you. He subject said reporting verb, me reporting verb of object. Reported speech is thank you. This sentence answer in this way. If you look at subject he, thanked, thank correspond to said, thanked, reporting verb of object me, mean he thanked me. Dear students, let us go discuss rule number 10. There is goodbye. In the reported speech, we write reporting verb of subject plus body plus object plus goodbye. Dear students, notice example. He said, goodbye, my friends. Answer in this question in this way. According to structure, reporting verb of subject mean he plus body, his friends goodbye. I hope all of you understand the sentence very well. Dear students, let us go discuss another one, mean rule 11. If we notice that there is good morning, good evening, good night in the reported speech, we write reporting verb of subject plus wished plus reporting verb of object plus good morning, good evening and good night. Dear students, notice example. I said to him, good morning. This sentence answer in this way according to structure. Here I is reporting verb of subject I plus wished reporting verb of object him and after good morning mean I wished him good morning. Dear student, last one, mean rule 12. Sometimes we notice that there is no speaker and listener in the direct speech. We write the speaker instead of speaker and the listener instead of only listener or person spoken to. My dear students, I have already discussed rules of passage narration previous class and today's class. I hope all of you look at my class lecture. If you follow the rules of passage narration, I hope all of you highly benefited when you do passage narration. Thank you, everybody.